Realme X2 Pro ColorOS 7 beta recruitment kicks off in India, first look of new experience released. Realme X2 Pro users can now experience ColorOS 7 based on Android 10 by participating in the ColorOS 7 beta recruitment program. Applications for the beta testing are being accepted until December 3rd, while the ColorOS 7 release for successful beta applicants will debut on December 18th. Realme has also shared a couple of screenshots to give a glimpse at the custom ColorOS 7 update designed for the Realme X2 Pro. Earlier this week, Realme announced the ColorOS 7 update roadmap for its key smartphones, including the Realme X2 Pro. As announced by Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth through a tweet, Realme has started taking applications for the Color 7 beta testing the country. The application window is open only for Realme X2 Pro users, and applicants need to fill a Google form to participate in the beta testing program. They need to be an Indian citizen and at least 18 years old, as per the terms and conditions mentioned in a forum post. The company is also asking for a provable experience in OS beta testing. Further, participants in the beta testing need to sign a non-disclosure agreement (NDA) with the company. Upon receiving applications for the ColorOS 7 beta recruitment, Realme will contact successful applicants via an email. The final list of beta testers will also be provided on the Realme community forums on December 9th. Realme is set to commence the beta testing for the Realme X2 Pro both in India and China from December 18th. However, as per the roadmap shared with the press earlier this week, the stable ColorOS 7 update based on Android 10 is planned to reach the flagship phone sometime in March next year. With ColorOS 7, Oppo hopes localized features will give it a leg up over Xiaomi's MIUI. While Oppo is also set to bring ColorOS 7 to its devices, Realme has claimed to offer a customized version of ColorOS 7 with better RAM management, smoother gaming graphics, and a range of customization options. The company has also teased that some special features will also be provided to Realme phone users. Sheth through his tweet has provided a sneak peek at Realme X2 Pro users would get through the ColorOS 7 update. New icons among other changes are visible in the screenshots shared by the executive. This is how ColorOS 7 will look on your Realme X2 Pro photo. Credit, Twitter, Madhav Sheth. To recall, ColorOS 7 was launched in India earlier this week. The new custom skin includes a series of localized features specifically for Indian users, including a dock vault that has the government's DigiLocker integration. It also has a system-wide dark mode that applies to not just preloaded apps and features but also over hundreds of third-party apps. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.